Hey guys, welcome back to the Road Ahead with AJ and thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a simple short one. It's about how to clean and lube your chain, because we all know that the chain is what connects your engine to the rear wheel and that's how it delivers the power. So it's a really important component. So without further ado, let's get started. So the two products I use for my chain maintenance are first the chain cleaner and next is the chain lube. These are both by Motul and I'll leave links in the description in the video below. So without further ado, let's get started. We bring, just for my reference, I'm going to bring the chain lock up to the sprocket so I know from where I'm starting and where I finish. So there, the chain lock is there. So I'm going to first spray on the chain cleaner and get all this gunk off from the links and from the sprocket, and then we'll begin by lubing it. Now, a word of precaution. Whenever you're going to do chain cleaning or lubing, it's better to do it with the engine off. Don't think of being a hero and doing it with the engine running and put it in gear and let it run, because you run the risk of getting your finger caught in the sprocket and then, well, you have some mincemeat for you. So let's get started. You want to make sure you're spraying it on both sides of the links, that is the outer side and the inner side. You can do it in a zigzag way as well. There we are back at the chain lock. That's a good reference to have. And start scrubbing everything. I usually keep a small tray at the bottom just to catch all the gunk that's going to come off. That way you don't dirty the ground underneath. And there we are. We are back at the lock again. Now, the next thing I like to do is to also brush the sprocket. Sprocket's clean as well. So let's inspect the chain first. As you will see, the chain isn't all that dry. And it's not rusted, but it still needs maintenance because the last time it was lubed has been quite a while back. There you see, it needs a bit of maintenance. So let's get started. Okay, so here we go with the chain lube. Just give it a good shake before using it and we repeat the procedure. Okay, great. So I've already got my chain lock in place here, so I have a reference point. And just spray. Again, you want to make sure you spray the outer part of the chain as well as the inner part of the chain, because both need to be lubed for it to work well. So here we go. Now the reason I like to do it over the sprocket is that you get some lube and cleaner on the sprocket as well. That way the sprocket is cleaned and it's got some lube on it as well. You can do it on the other part of the chain, but on the GT there is the exhaust pipe that's blocking that part of it. So I would have to unmount the exhaust, which I'm really not in the mood to do. And well, there you're done. And one more important thing is, after you're done cleaning and lubing the chain, all the dirt that's on the wheel, you might want to wipe it off and just run the engine a bit in first gear or second gear so that all the excess fluid and the lube comes off. That way your chain is it's not dripping once you put it in your parking lot. Alright, and voila, that's it. Our chain has been cleaned, it's been lubed and it's ready to go. So a quick point about maintenance. Chain should usually be lubed every 750 to 1000 kilometers depending on how you ride. This bike mostly does city riding, so I did it after 1000 kilometers. But make sure you keep your chain lubed because that's what's delivering the power to your rear wheel, and if it's not lubed you'll hear all kinds of weird sounds coming out of it. Another important point is that the chain lube that I use, this one specifically says, it says road. So this one's made by Motul for vehicles being run on the road. However, if you do a lot more of off-road, it's important that you get a heavier chain lube that's going to stay on the chain links for longer. That's it for today. This was a short video. In my next one, I'll be replacing the brake fluid on the front and the rear discs on this bike. Until then, dream on, ride on, and helmet always on. Oh, if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe. The button should be somewhere below on this video. Please do it, and you'll always be updated on my new upcoming videos. Thank you so much. AJ signing off.